Create a dedicated folder inside your Obsidian Vault for your CRM system. In the File Explorer sidebar, right-click, select New Folder, and name it something like Client CRM. Inside that, create subfolders for clients, contacts, projects, meetings, opportunities, tasks, documents, and templates. This simple structure keeps client information organized while allowing notes to connect with each other. If you find this approach useful, please like and subscribe, and let's build your CRM. Before you start creating individual client notes, decide what information you want to track. A good CRM stores basic customer details like company name, contact person, email, phone number, website, industry, and location. You'll also want space for relationship information like communication history, important preferences, client requirements, and notes from conversations. Project information such as active and completed projects, deadlines, deliverables, and status updates keeps work visible. Finally, sales information for tracking potential projects, proposal status, deal stages, and follow-up dates completes the picture. Now create a client profile template to ensure every record has the same structure. Open your templates folder and create a new note. Add a section for basic information, then fields for status, priority, owner, date added, and last contact date. Also include a section for linked notes, meetings, projects, tasks, and documents. Save this note as your client profile template. Using templates saves time and guarantees consistency across all your client records. With your template ready, create a new note inside the client's folder. Give it the client's company name as the title. Apply your template and fill in the information. Each client gets their own dedicated profile note. This becomes the main page where you can access all related information about that client. Add properties to your client notes for structured data. Properties sit at the top of the note and make information easier to search, filter, and organize. Useful properties include client type, industry, status, priority, owner, date added, and last contact date. For example, your status property might show active, priority, high, and type customer. These properties let you quickly find all high-priority active clients or sort by industry. Client meetings are essential to track. Inside your meetings folder, create a new note for each interaction. Give it a title like March 15th, 2025, Quarterly Review, Acme Corp. Record the date, participants, discussion points, decisions made, and action items. After creating the meeting note, link it back to the client profile using double brackets, Acme Corp. This creates a connected history of every interaction. Obsidian's linking system is one of the most powerful features for your CRM. Use double brackets to connect related notes. Link client profiles to meeting notes, projects, tasks, and documents. Link project notes back to their client. These connections let you navigate quickly between related information without digging through folders. You can also use the graph view to see the entire web of relationships at a glance. Track client opportunities in your opportunities folder. Create a note for each potential piece of work, including opportunity name, client, estimated value, status, and next action. Use stages like new lead, discussion, proposal sent, negotiation, won or lost. Link each opportunity to the relevant client profile. This gives you a clear pipeline view of all potential revenue. Add tasks and follow-ups to prevent important actions from slipping through the cracks. Tasks might include follow-up calls, sending documents, preparing proposals, or completing deliverables. You can use Obsidian's built-in task system with checkboxes or a dedicated tasks folder. Connect each task to the related client note so you always know what's pending for whom. Use Obsidian Search to find client information fast. Search for client names, project titles, meeting topics, tags, or property values. This lets you bypass folder navigation entirely when you need something quickly. Tags offer another layer of organization. Use #client, #active-client, #proposal, #follow-up, or #project consistently. But don't overdo tags, too many become confusing. A CRM requires regular maintenance to stay valuable. After every client meeting or call, update the relevant notes, record important conversations, update project statuses, review follow-up tasks, and clean out outdated information. A CRM is only useful when the data remains accurate. Make this a habit. 5 minutes at the end of each day to update client records keeps your system reliable. Your Obsidian Client CRM works because everything connects. Client profiles link down to meetings, projects, tasks, and documents. Instead of scattered information across emails and spreadsheets, you have one centralized workspace showing a complete picture of each relationship. This structure helps you serve clients better because you never lose track of history, preferences, or commitments. Start simple. Create your folder structure, make one client profile, add a meeting note, and link them together. As you get comfortable, expand with opportunities, tasks, and templates. Your CRM grows with your needs. Back up your vault regularly. Client information is valuable. And use clear naming conventions so searching always works. The goal is not complexity, but clarity. A system that makes your client relationships easier to manage, not harder.